Metre by 4.8 metre tarp from Bunnings. We're going to make a mats mat on one side and a sorting network on the other side.
How long does it take for that?
I reckon probably about an hour, hour and a half. An hour and a half we go.
It's big, isn't it?
To lay down the grid, I've made up 4 tape measures and I've put markings where all the lines go for the grid, and I've set it to be a 65 centimetre gap, which fits nicely on a tarpaulin that's 7.2 metres long by 3.6 wide, although our tarp is about 4.8.
I understand where the tape part is. Okay. Yeah, gotcha.
Yep. Alright, and our tape, our line will be literally on the edge of the thing, but that's alright. What I'll do is we'll just do a fiddling bit to get these so that it works best if it's sort of centred on the mat. Just the settings.
Yeah, definitely.
That's just a bit of fiddling.
Yeah, you want this stage or...
I can let go now, I reckon.
How many squares will fit inside this grid?
So we're going to run 10 squares long ways and 5 squares short ways. So there'll be 50 squares all up. And the squares will be 65 centimetre length.
Just about the right size for a kid's bottom.
Keep it up until, and then get it down and sort of, and then get the kids to do a sort of basically walk along it.
Yeah.
Then they're going to do the same at the other end.
Okay.
You can step on that. Just walk along it.
And just got a little bit more of a kick, so just there it is, yeah.
You're not going to put it down with a bit of tension,
Yeah.
and then so that you then get a straight line out of it.
So excited.
I think that primary school kids and teachers do so well is peer teaching, peer tutoring, and like do an activity like the calendar,
Yes.
and then beginning the year 6s to go do that with the year 3s or 4s. I think is extraordinary as an opportunity.
One of the other pedagogical aspects of this, when you're doing physical involvement work, is to go back in the classroom and challenge the kids to build a tabletop model of what they were just doing.
Yeah.
That reminds me of what you said in the podcast episode about having manipulative. That's when you do the whole group thing, then you get the time to have your sort of own private thoughts
Yep.
back at your table
And scaling,
scaling
kids,
it from big to small.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, there are kids that if you give them, because one of the things one of the sort of the pedagogical choices as a teacher, you can't involve every kid on the mat
No, that's
for
right.
every activity, but you can have some observers with, say, some mini whiteboard sleeves where you slip a grid in, and so the kids are recording what you're doing.
Yeah, that's
Other kids in the iPad taking photos.
Yeah.
that all student participation is a big one.
It's kind of hard to organise at times.
Yeah.
Yeah. But it is possible. I think with some thought, it is.
Yeah.
I think it's possible and it's powerful.
Like I know we've got a lengthen area improvement unit
Yep.
coming up. You know, it could be chance. Like I've got chance in the first 2 weeks.
Yep.
You know, it could be just be something.
You can just up the other end copy what I'm going to do down here. It doesn't really matter. We can turn it. So we just got to be inboard a little, so that there's going to be a tape put around these. So I just lay them down by eye. Making use of all the space. So where the actual positioning are of the decision points or comparison points is super critical. As long as a row is sort of roughly in the same line, that way people know where they are coming through.
And then one from here. Into here.
Beautiful.
See ya.